Welcome to Crazy Dashcam. We bring you interesting and valuable videos. Here you will find main content description of the channel. We are committed to providing you with the highest quality and most up-to-date content. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you for visiting, and we hope you enjoy what we have to share.
Speeding is one of the most common and dangerous traffic violations. Not only is it a violation of the law, it also poses many risks to the driver and other road users. In this article, we will analyze the causes of speeding in order to raise awareness of this issue and find suitable solutions. 1. Lack of speed control. One of the main causes of speeding is lack of control on the part of the driver. Many people do not pay attention to their speed while driving, especially when they feel comfortable or are in a state of excitement. This lack of awareness can stem from a number of factors. Factor 1. Urgent mood. In situations where drivers feel rushed, they tend to drive faster to save time. Pressure from work, family, or other external factors makes them decide to adjust their speed without thinking about the consequences. Second factor. Lack of experience. New drivers often do not have much experience in controlling their speed. They may not realize that driving fast will reduce their ability to react to unexpected situations on the road. Third factor. Lack of sense of speed. Many drivers cannot accurately sense their speed. They may think they are driving at a safe speed, when in fact they have exceeded the speed limit. This often happens in areas with wide, deserted roads. 2. Time pressure. Time pressure is a big factor leading to drivers deciding to speed. In modern society, people often have many jobs and responsibilities, leading to the feeling of having to get to their destination quickly. First factor. Busy life. Time has become a valuable asset. Many people feel they don't have enough time to complete daily tasks, from taking their children to school to going to work. This creates a lot of pressure, causing drivers to feel the need to speed up. Second factor. Important appointments. When having to attend important meetings or events, drivers may feel pressured to be on time. Being late can have unwanted consequences, from losing opportunities to affecting personal reputation. Third factor. Competitive psychology. In some cases, drivers may feel the need to race with others on the road. They may not realize that this action is very dangerous and can lead to accidents. 3. Lack of knowledge of traffic laws. Lack of knowledge of traffic laws is also one of the reasons why drivers speed. Many people are not aware of the regulations regarding speed limits, especially when they are traveling through new areas. Factor 1. Not paying attention to signs. When driving, paying attention to speed signs is extremely important. However, many drivers often ignore this, leading to speeding without knowing it. Factor 2. Lack of knowledge of local laws. Each area may have different regulations and speed limits. Not knowing these regulations can lead to drivers violating them without intending to. Factor 3. Superficial thinking. Many people may not consider traffic regulations carefully. They may think that, I know how to drive, without learning more about the laws that may change over time. 4. Psychological impact. A person's driving psychology can also influence the decision to speed. Many psychological factors can cause drivers to behave irrationally on the road. Factor 1. Feeling unbearable. Many drivers feel uncomfortable when waiting or moving slowly. They may feel frustrated and decide to speed up to escape the situation. Factor 2. Impatience. Impatience is an important psychological factor that leads to speeding. When drivers feel like they can't wait, they easily decide to speed up without thinking about the consequences. Factor 3. Positive mood. Although a positive mood can help drivers drive better, in some cases, it can also lead to speeding. When drivers feel happy or excited, they may not pay attention to their speed. 5. The influence of technology. Technology can also be a factor that affects speeding. In today's digital age, many drivers can be distracted by electronic devices. Factor 1. Mobile phone use. Using a mobile phone while driving has become a bad habit. Many drivers may lose focus on controlling their speed while answering text messages or making phone calls. Factor 2. In-car entertainment devices. Many modern cars are equipped with entertainment systems, but being too focused on operating these devices can also lead to speeding. Drivers can get so absorbed in music or videos that they forget to control their speed.
Thank you all for watching the video till the end. If you found this content useful and interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. We regularly update with exciting and helpful content to serve you. Join our community and let's explore more new things together.
Next, we come to the sixth cause. 6. Traffic culture. Traffic culture in a community also plays an important role in determining driver behavior. Some societies may have a habit of driving faster than normal. First, social habits. If a community tends to accept fast driving, drivers may feel that speeding is normal. This can lead to increased traffic accidents. Second, the importance of respecting the law. A society that respects traffic laws will help reduce speeding. Conversely, if people do not respect the laws, violations will increase. Third, traffic education. Traffic education is an important factor in raising awareness of driving safety. Education programs can help drivers better understand safe speeds and the importance of obeying traffic laws. 7. Traffic system. Finally, the traffic system also affects whether drivers speed or not. If the traffic infrastructure is not good, this can make it easier for drivers to violate the speed limit. First, road conditions. Narrow roads, without signs or traffic lights, can make drivers feel safer when driving fast. This creates an environment that is favorable for speeding. Second, lack of speed control measures. Without speed control measures such as radar or cameras, drivers can easily speed without fear of being fined. Third, empty roads. Empty roads can make drivers feel more confident when driving at high speeds. Speeding is a serious problem in modern traffic with many complex causes. To improve the situation, there needs to be coordination between authorities, educational organizations, and individuals in raising awareness of traffic safety. Adhering to safe speeds is the responsibility of every driver and the entire community.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming content. Your support is the motivation for us to keep growing. Thank you very much.